Alright guys, today we're going to do a little learning about Picasso and Matisse. We're just going to do a little practice here so you guys can see some different styles and understand what Picasso did and what his looked like and what Matisse did also in his work. So the first thing I want you to do is you're going to take your paper and we're going to work in landscape today, and you're going to separate it into two different parts. Okay. On the left side, I want you to write on the top Picasso, and that's spelled P-I-C-A-S-S-O, Picasso. And his first name was Pablo, but he's so well known that Picasso will do for this. On the right side, I want you to write Matisse, and that's spelled M-A-T-I-S-S-E. And his first name was Henry. These are very well-known artists, Pablo Picasso and Henry Matisse. Below Picasso, I want you to write Cubism. C-U-B-I-S-M. And then I like to underline that because that's a style that Pablo Picasso invented. And we're going to do a little drawing here in a bit of his Cubism work. Matisse, he did paper cutouts. That's what he was best known for. Paper, and then cut, C-U-T, and then outs, O-U-T-S. Paper cutouts. Alright, let's get over to the left side and let's work with some Picasso. The first thing you're going to do, and we're going to do a face, and it's going to look kind of funny, but this is an abstract face using this Cubism style. So it's looking from different angles at it. So again, understand it's going to look a little silly. So the first thing I want you to do is you're going to come up with a shape, so please watch first and then you can do it. So, and this can be kind of like an abstract shape. I want it to look a little bit different than normal. Okay, you can do it kind of like mine or just a little bit different, but you do want to have it as a shape. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw kind of like a side view of a face. So I'm going to draw a line that comes down the middle, and then about halfway through I'm going to give it a nose like it's facing that way, and then I'm going to come down and give two little humps. Those are going to be like the lips, and then I come back down. Okay, so there's just a line through the middle. It almost looks like one face is facing that way and one is going to be facing this way. Okay. Next, let's give it an eye. So on this one over here, let's make an eye look that way. So I'm going to do a little shape like that. It's kind of like a less than, greater than type of sign. And then in the middle, eye there like that. Put a little darkness on the front. Could even put a line right here. Could give it some eyelashes. Alright, it's looking kind of funny and silly already. The left side, let's do a different style eye. I'm going to do like a diamond over here. And you could put it lower, you don't have to put it right there. And eyelashes, nice big thick ones. And maybe a circle eye right here. Next, let's do the mouth. So we have part of the mouth here. So let's maybe extend it here, like we could see it from this different angle. Put a line through there. You could add stuff onto it if you want. You could even give it a little mustache if you wanted to as well there. Next, let's give it, maybe an ear. You could go anywhere with the ear. You could go on the top of the head, side here. Maybe I'm going to put one over here. Almost looks like a bow there. And maybe an ear over here. Alright, so we need a few other things in there. We got an ear. Maybe we add, you could add a hat. Maybe a neckline here, or maybe like this. I like to give it kind of like some shoulders here. Okay. And again, you could add extra things, accessories to it, necklaces, hats, bow ties, etc. Okay? So that's Pablo Picasso and his Cubist style, called Cubism, looking from different angles. Matisse. To do a Henry Matisse, you're going to take one of those colored sheets of paper, whatever color you have, and I'm going to show you some of his shapes that he liked to do in his work. And all he used was scissors, so he drew with scissors. So for this first one, I'm going to just cut a spiral. I'm just going to do one continuous line. It's going to go around, and then I'm going to stop about right there. Okay. Next, I'm going to go, let's see, I'm going to go a little bit in now, about right here, and I'm going to do another cut really close to it, and I'm going to cut out this swirl. So I'm going to keep going until I run out of space to go, until I meet the other part. Okay? What's kind of cool is you're going to have two pieces now, and what you're going to do then today here, you could go like this, you could put it together like that. You could take a glue stick, just glue those down for today. And you're going to take that other one then, I want you to experiment that other sheet of paper, and I want you to cut any type of organic shape out of it. Just let your scissors kind of go wild with this one. You can go in and out. See what kind of organic style shape that you can make. And it's really up to you. I like to keep both pieces too. A lot of his shapes that he did looked kind of like coral when he did it. Alright. And I kind of like that Matisse shape. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue that down kind of like that right there. You can overlap them a little bit if you'd like. And again, just use a glue stick to do that. Alright guys, good luck with your work.